Hello and welcome. In this short video, we like to show how to use date or date ranges as search filters. Especially in situations where an extremely large number of documents is assigned to a business partner, it is necessary to reduce the number of hits displayed, for example, by limiting the document date. This is possible by using dynamic date ranges based on date formulas, and thus search definitions can be delimited according to time periods, and only display documents from the last year as an example. Let's go and have a look in Business Central. First of all, we open the customer list, and on our actual customer named Adidum Corporation, you see within the fact box Documents that there are 83 different documents found for this customer. While expanding the list, we can see that there are totally 73 business documents separated into 33 sales invoices, 7 sales orders, and 33 sales shipments. Additionally, there are 10 documents stored as correspondence. Next, we want to add a dynamically assigned date filter to the standard search filter. Therefore, we can directly call the used search definition out of the fact box and edit it accordingly. In order to edit the search definition, we need to disable the active trigger first. Then we need to set a new filter using the search definition tags. Here we add a new line. As we want to filter the documents by date, we enter the according code. The data source for the dynamic filter is function, and as data source function, we will select the value date formula. After that, we can set the filter for within the field fixed value parameter. As we want to display only the documents starting with the beginning of the current year, minus 1 year without ending date set, we can enter the date formula as shown. After that, we need to activate the search definition again. Back to the customer list page, we need to refresh the page to make the changed configuration become active. And voila, you can see that there are only 40 documents left for the search. I hope that I have been able to give you a good understanding of using date and date ranges as search filters. There are more videos to important functionality of this app. Please feel free to check them out or get even more information in our online help at the given link. Thanks for watching.